Hello there, and welcome to today's session. Whether you're a seasoned investor or someone with a dream of running a cozy bed and breakfast in the heart of Scotland, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as exciting as it is practical: buying a bed and breakfast in Drumnadrochit privately, direct from the owner, for a better deal. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Let's get started. Q&A. Buying a bed and breakfast in Drumnadrochit privately. 1. Why should I consider buying a bed and breakfast privately instead of going through an agent? Great question. Let's cut straight to the chase. When you buy privately, you're skipping the middleman. No agents, no hefty commissions, and no unnecessary fees. Think of it like this. The seller doesn't have to pay the agent's costs, which means they're often more flexible on price. It's a win-win. Plus, you get to deal directly with the owner, which can lead to a more personal and transparent negotiation process. And let's be honest, who doesn't love saving a bit of cash while sipping tea in the Scottish Highlands? Q2. Why Drumnadrochit? What's so special about this place? Drumnadrochit. Even saying the name feels like a warm hug, doesn't it? This charming village sits right on the shores of Loch Ness. Yes, that Loch Ness, home of the legendary Nessie. It's a tourist hotspot, which means a steady stream of visitors year-round. People come for the stunning scenery, the history, and, of course, the chance to spot the elusive monster. Owning a bed and breakfast here is like having a front-row seat to one of Scotland's most iconic destinations. Plus, you'll never run out of stories to tell your guests. Q3. How do I find a property for sale privately? Now, this is where the magic happens. Enter Stay Fort U, a portal designed for savvy buyers like you. Think of it as your secret weapon. Stay Fort U specializes in connecting buyers directly with property owners, cutting out the middleman entirely. You can browse listings, filter by location, and even chat directly with sellers. It's like online dating, but for property. Swipe right on your dream B&B. And the best part, you're not just buying a property, you're buying a lifestyle. So grab your laptop, head to Stay For You and start your search. Who knows, your dream B&B might just be a click away. Q4. What should I look for when buying a bed and breakfast privately? The million-dollar question, or should I say the pound sterling question. When buying a B&B, there are a few key things to keep in mind. Location, location, location. Drumnadrochit is a gem, but make sure the property is close to key attractions like Loch Ness or the Urquhart Castle. Proximity to tourist hotspots is a big plus. Condition of the property. Is it ready to welcome guests or does it need a bit of TLC? A fixer-upper can be a great deal, but make sure you budget for renovations. Licensing and regulations. Running a B&B isn't just about fluffy pillows and hearty breakfasts. You'll need to comply with local regulations, so check what's required in the Highlands. Guest capacity. How many rooms does the property have? More rooms mean more guests, but also more work. Find a balance that suits your goals. Owner's history. Since you're dealing directly with the owner, don't be shy. Ask questions. Why are they selling? How's the business been performing? Their answers can give you valuable insights. Q5. What are the benefits of negotiating directly with the owner? Negotiating directly with the owner is like having a heart-to-heart chat over a cup of tea. It's personal, it's transparent, and it's often more flexible. Without an agent in the mix, you can discuss terms directly, build rapport, and even get creative with the deal. Maybe the owner throws in some furniture or offers a payment plan. Plus, you'll get a feel for the property's history and quirks straight from the source. It's a bit like buying a car from someone who's loved it for years. They'll tell you all the little details that make it special. Q6. What's the biggest mistake to avoid when buying a B&B privately? The pitfalls. Let me save you some sleepless nights. The biggest mistake is not doing your homework. Just because you're buying privately doesn't mean you can skip due diligence. Get the property inspected, review the financials, and consult a solicitor to ensure the paperwork is airtight. And remember, if a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Trust your gut, but also trust the professionals. Closing thoughts. Well, there you have it, a crash course in buying a bed and breakfast in Drumnadrochit privately. It's a journey that's equal parts exciting and rewarding. By cutting out the middleman, using tools like Stay4You, and doing your homework, you can snag a great deal and start living your dream of running a cosy B&B in one of Scotland's most picturesque villages. So what are you waiting for? The Highlands are calling and your future guests are already packing their bags. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, life's too short for boring breakfasts. Make yours unforgettable.